Add Maths 2011, Paper 2, Question 11. To evaluate spearman's rank, we have to rank these values. It doesn't matter if you use 1 as the highest or lowest. What's important that whatever we do for press-ups, we do also for sit-ups. So I'm going to start with 1 at the lowest, so that's 31. Then 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 48 and 50. Repeating this now with the sit-ups. Lowest number is 29, so that's going to be my 1. Then we have 31, 35, 36, 37. We have 3 at 38, so they would take spaces 6, 7 and 8. I'm going to add those together and divide by 3. And that gives me 21 divided by 3, which is 7. So the 3 38s are going to get 7. I've used spaces 6, 7 and 8. That means that 39 is 9 and 40 is 10. What I'm now interested in is the differences. So that's 2, 1, 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 3, 2, 3. And we need to square those. So that's 4, 1, 1, 0, 0, 4, 0, 9, 4, 9. And adding all those together, I get 32. So spearman's rank, and remember this formula is in the formula booklet, is 1 minus 6 times d squared, so that's 32, all over n upon n squared 100 minus 1, so that's 99. Type that into the calculator, we get 0.806. And that answer tells us that it is a positive correlation. Before we can draw the line of best fit, we need to work out the mean number of press-ups. So we add them all together and divide by 10, 42.4, and the mean number of sit-ups, again adding them all together and dividing by 10, 36.1. So we have to mark these means onto our diagram. 42.4 be here and 36.1 here. So if I draw an X here, that is the average point. Our line of best fit must go through this. Now our outboard tool doesn't have a straight line tool, so I'm going to draw a straight line. When you're doing this in the exam, you must use a ruler. It should go through as many points as possible with equal numbers above as below. For the rest of the question, I'm just going to use the mark scheme answer. And I need to find the gradient, so I'm going to pick 2 points in the line. I'm going to pick this one because it's exact, and that's the point 35, 32. And the next point I'm going to pick is, I'm looking along the line, here's the next one, I say that goes through 2 equal points, and that is 47 and a half, 39. So I can draw on my triangle. I now need to work out the change in x and the change in y. And the gradient is the change in y. So that's 39 minus 32. So that's 7. Divided by the change in x, which is 47 and a half minus 35. So that's dividing by 12 and a half. And that gives us a gradient of 0.56. To work out the equation of the line, I'm going to use the fact that y equals m, so 0.56 x plus c. Now all I have to do is work out c. It goes through the point 35, 32. So when y is 32, x is 35. So that tells me that c is 32 minus 0.56 times 35. So c is 12.4. So the equation of the line is y equals 0.56x plus 12.4.